Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily fix low volume problem on your OPPO Find X9. So first, what you guys want to do is adjust the media volume and the settings. So let's go over and head to the settings. Now, what we need to do is we need to go over to the sound and vibration. Here we will have the volume section, and as you guys can see, here we have the media volume. So we want to adjust it the way that we would want to hear it. So this is the setting I use. I think this is the optimal one. And now what you guys can do next is go to the sound and vibration again, and here go to do not disturb. We need to make sure that do not disturb is disabled because it can block the sound sometimes. Not exactly block, but it can lower the sound, and that's how we can have the low volume problem. So I'd recommend you guys disabling it for a while for the time of testing, and after that you guys can clean the speaker grills. So for an example, here we have it. Now we want to clean it with a soft brush. As you guys can see, I have a cloth right here, but the cloth just won't go through. So we won't clean it with a cloth. We need a soft brush, something that gets inside of it and not damage it. Now after that, after cleaning it all, what you guys can do is update your software to fix any audio glitches. So scroll down until you see the system and update and click on software update. It will check for updates automatically, and as you guys can see, my version is up to date. But if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it, because it's very important to keep your phone up with the latest things. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.